Hey y'all, what's going on? We're back with another video, and I got a good one for you today. Just wait till you see what we got in store. We're on this beautiful property, beautiful day today. It just got done raining. I think we're good for the rest of the day. But we're getting ready to tear something down, and you're going to want to see this. It's a humongous barn. There's an old barn right here that is fallen in on one side. It's caved in, and I'm gonna try to get you a look on the inside as best I can. But we're gonna tear it down today, and we get it down and get it all organized, and we'll try to burn a little bit along. Behind me, you can see we got a backhoe. It's a John Deere 310. We rented it, and it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna walk you through it. We're gonna go and take a look inside this John Deere 310 backhoe. Show you a few of the controls, and I'm no expert by any means, but this thing is big and it's kind of fun. So, regular backhoe has a front bucket, and it's got a back bucket to it. It's got an 18-inch back bucket on it. Does pretty much everything we're trying to do with it here. Like I said, it's a John Deere 310 model, 310K, four-wheel drive, enclosed cab. Those are the outriggers to stabilize it when you're using the back digger. There's a steering wheel. It's a tilt wheel. Lever's right down there. You pull it up, and it tilts down. There's your gear selector. It's a 4-speed automatic. There's your brake, your gas. There's your lever for the front bucket. Up there. Mirror to see backwards. Hi. Got a radio in it. And here's all your controls over here. There's for your heater controls, heater and AC, it's where your key goes, right there. There's your lights. Parking brake is the orange button. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge. It's got an hour meter over there too, right there. Your flashers when you're driving up and down the road, if you drive it on the road. This is your throttle control for your when you're using the backhoe part of it. Windshield wipers, defrost, and it's got a little storage bin down here. Yep. Maybe get a little storage bin down here. This is the controls for your outriggers. It goes down there. And these are your controls for your backhoe. And this has got the extendable boom on it. So that's what that pedal is on the floor. Right there. That makes your boom go in and out. This is for your lock. That's for your lock out there. To lock your boom from falling backwards. These are your joystick controls for the back bucket. AC vents. This window actually opens up. So you can take this window. You got one of these on each side. And you take it down. So that's pretty much the inside of it. Kind of simple, big, but we're gonna get started and seeing what we can get done today. I'm gonna show y'all what we got done. Started running last night. I couldn't really give you an update last night. We just had to park it and get gone before we got stuck in here. But what do you think about that? The barn's down. Ain't that awesome? The barn is down. It's great. I love it. We're gonna work on today. We're gonna drag some of this out and try to pile it up as best we can back in here, and then try to straighten all this up. We pulled as many beams out as we could, and somebody's going to use them to actually build stuff out of. Those were good wood, so we're going to try to repurpose as much wood out of this barn as we can. I'm going to try to make it to the back side back here, if I can point right. I'm going to try to make it to the back side back here behind this and push all of it this way, because there's a building back here, so I need to go in here and scrape all this way so I can get access back there. So yeah, and it's stupid muddy, so I hope we don't sink. Fingers crossed, wish us luck. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. We got to run a big piece of machinery, tore down a barn, cleared out a lot of land behind me, and got it all looking nice. where we can take care of it now. If y'all enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below something you would like to see us get into, whether it be tearing stuff down or rebuilding, whatever. Just let us know. Thanks for watching.